Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
This is a chopping board, a flat, wooden or plastic board where meats and vegetable can be cut. It is used on a flat surface, together with a knife. A knife is made of metal blade and wooden handle. Fueled by gas. How to operate it? First, make sure that the surrounding is clean. Second, open the gas tank by rotating the gas valve counterclockwise. Third, opening the gas by turning the knob counterclockwise. You can modulate the release of gas using this knob by low, medium, and high. Turn off the gas stove by turning the knob clockwise. Turn off the gas by moving the gas valve clockwise.